Hello everybody, we got ourselves another update here. Before we get to the big unveil, I got some housekeeping things to do. First off, I want to say thank you for everybody who ordered some Wingman Clamps, Wingman Clamp kits. That's very nice of you guys, and none of this would have happened without you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy building your Wingman Clamps. I have several Model 750s still remaining and quite a bit of Model 500s, so I created a 12-pack version of the Model 500. It is updated on my website. And for $30 for 12 clamps, I think that's a pretty good deal. As stated in my update before, I would not be ordering any more of these clamps because I am still fully committed to bringing the Wingman Clamp to market. However, it's just not going to work with these kits. It would take 5, maybe 10 years before I have enough funding for the tooling on these clamps. So that is unfortunate. However, I am trying to sell off my remaining springs as well as clutch plate sets. So check out my website, guys. Pick up some plates, pick up some springs. I have quite a bit of springs remaining. They don't exactly make me... The minimum order quantity for springs are quite high. And it makes sense because they need enough quantities to justify turning the machine on. So these are great springs. They fit snugly inside a 1/4-inch hole, and they're exactly 1 inch long. They're great for any sort of DIY projects that you might have. And for the Model 500, I know it's not as popular as the Model 750. However, personally, I should enjoy using the Model 500 more than the Model 750, just because it's lighter, and I usually don't need any capacity more than the 250, 300 pounds that the Model 500 can put out. So I use these far more often than Model 750. All that aside, let me do a quick cleanup here and we'll do the big unveil. Drum roll, please. This here is how I'm going to fund Project Maverick and put this Wingman Clamp to market. What this is here are firearms. It is something I'm quite passionate about, and I see great opportunities for improvement. No, I'm not going to sell you guys firearms. But I do have several accessories as well as small modifications that I think is an improvement towards the shooting experience. And I would be posting the designs on my website, and all the proceeds will be used to fund Project Maverick, putting the Wingman Clamp to market. So let's give a quick overview of, and this is just what I have so far for the mods and accessories. So first off, I got right here is a A2 sight adjustment tool. It's the world's lightest and likely the cheapest sight adjustment tool that exists. And right here, this here is my Savage B22 long rifle. I have here a adjustable cheek riser. When you have an optic on a rifle, it is very helpful to have an adjustable cheek riser here so that the shooter, he or she, can shoulder the rifle and get a perfect sight picture every time, and very quickly. The Savage also has a modified front stock right here where I free floated the barrel and added a stiffening plate. This design again is already on my website and ready to be purchased. Videos will be following shortly. The designs are finalized, but I haven't quite got the video shot and edited quite yet, but they are coming. Behind here is my Ruger 1022. Likely the world's most popular semi-automatic 22 long rifle. The mods include, again, an adjustable cheek riser. The cheek riser is compatible with any rifle or shotgun. Anything with a rear stock, it would work. I removed the rear sight right here and replaced it with a dovetail blank. Design is on my website. And last of all, you probably noticed this funky looking mount, or the gun vise, that the Ruger is mounted on. What this is I needed a gun vise, and I thought to use what I learned from designing the Wingman Clamp to make what I believe is the world's best gun vise. However, it turned out horrible. I did not know what I was doing. I should have known better. The results are terrible. I would not be selling this design to public. I don't want anybody else to make the same mistake as I did. I only have myself to blame. And what I wanted to say is that all the designs that I'm putting on my website, they've been through many iterations and many different prototypes before they pass my approval. to sell to you guys. So this gun vise, for example, I spent weeks on this, and I'm so embarrassed by it right now. I threw away all my footage. I threw away a lot of the editing that I did, and I'm just going to start from scratch. However, I do know exactly what needs to be done to improve this gun vise. And that is with all my designs. I would not put them on my website unless I think they're absolutely worth it. Next thing on my list. Yes, so in addition to the products I'm offering, I am also going to be releasing several videos for tips and tricks that I learned along the way for both the Ruger 1022 as well as the Savage. And I think it's a good addition to the shooting community. I mean, this channel is transitioning into a more of a shooting firearms related type of channel. And that even if it is transitioning, the goal is still to put the Wingman Clamp to market. That's why I'm doing all of this right here. Last of all, I just want to say my views on firearms. I know it is a touchy subject for some. However, for me, a firearm is just a tool. It is no different than a hatchet, a steak knife, or a fishing rod. In fact, where I'm from, right here, we don't even use the W word. We use the F word, firearms, but we don't use the W word. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be giving more updates on the gun vise. Hopefully I can get the design done, I'm not sure, maybe within a month. I got a lot of work on this. And all the designs right now are available on my website. You can go and check them out. And videos will be releasing shortly. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.